We've gotten ourselves into many things in this life, but the best thing that you can get yourself into is your passions, your gifts and talents, Way back when I began, or rather when I felt that I want to do this is probably when I decided to join I decided to join my brother to a show. The show was being done at BC. For those that love hip hop and poetry, know this, and maybe also music. BC Upper Hill at Words and Pictures. That's Wapi. Definitely, if you love music, if you know where Calligraph started, if you know where Octopizzo started, Virusi Mbaya started, and now Mission Driven started. This Mission Driven is a group of beatboxers, rappers and poetry, and there's a DJ also in that group. The group has one great person that is called Dan Number 8. This is the one person that inspired me to begin writing, manze, way back when I was in high school. And this goes out to him. Dan Number 8, Dan Mwangi is working at NTV. The guy is doing a great job there, and he's always spitting rhymes, manze, as he does he reports his news, yani ile maybe introduction to the content of the things that is going to share to us, the viewers now. That is the person that inspired me to begin writing, and it can't go and say that I salute him for the good job that he's done in my life. And the one thing that I heard from him that inspired me so much and to date is the spoken word, the poetry that he did, that is called Flash It. Flash It is literally speaking about girls who flash kids, the abortion. Abortion is something that it's so much ignored in this society, and it can't go and say that most of young men also are the ones that are telling their ladies to do so, and also most ladies are doing so. So it's just an advice to those that go that route, that do not find yourselves in that that trap, of wanting to abort. Those kids that were aborted might be the presidents of tomorrow, might be the rappers of tomorrow, the poets of tomorrow. They might be the ministers, the pastors, all these good people, the lawyers, the pilots, the doctors. They may treat you in the long run. So don't flash it, don't flash it. Poetry is something big in my life, and I love it. Spoken word is also so it's also big in my life, and I won't stop until no day will come. It's a beautiful thing. Today, as I'm speaking, is World Poetry Day, and I felt that urge of just telling you how and where it all started, and the journey of writing. Most people are getting into burning out. Burning out is writer's block. Somebody no longer writes because of 1, 2, 3. Let's try and don't be stressed, because inspirations come from, or rather ideas come from the tragicomic. You can be walking and you'll get inspired and begin writing. So you don't let yourself be not writing, you just can't stop that. If you want to do it as a business, you got to look for those people that are in this with their purpose, with following their purpose and ambitions, so make yourself not burn out, yani. Reading can help you not stop writing. I think that's all I can say. Just keep reading, keep walking. The inspirations will come to write, And I don't write every time, you see, because maybe of the time that I might be having, But that small time that I have, I get inspired. I just write something in my phone. Yeah, you just write. Keep writing, yeah. Keep writing, and at the long run, you will see the fruits of the things that you've written. Because every time you are told that we got to have journals, you got to write. That's where contents come, Peace out. The Angelic Quotes. I love you guys.